Students, next we can see about the Laplace transform. So what do you mean by Laplace transform means we are converting the time domain to the S domain. Okay, while we are converting the time domain signal to the S domain signal, then it is a Laplace transform, space domain. Okay, so first what is the formula for Laplace transform means Laplace transform of x of t is equal to, there is time domain is changing to Laplace transform, that is x of s space domain, so x of s, so what is the formula? Integral minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus st dt. Okay, so now if it is a causal signal, what do you mean by causal signal? Means it is a right sided signal. So if x of t is a causal signal, that is when t is greater than or equal to 0, then the formula will be only it has the positive value. So the formula changes to minus infinity to infinity changes to 0 to infinity. Okay, so the formula becomes x of s equal to 0 to infinity x of t e power minus st dt. Okay, so now the existence of Laplace transform can be explained by the region of convergence. Okay, so now we can see the region of convergence. So what do you mean by region of convergence? Means that is the value, the integral value is when our formula, that is integral minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus st converge, means that is known as the region of convergence. So there are three different types of region of convergence. One is right sided signal, left sided signal, and another is a two sided signal. So we can see one by one. So first is the right sided signal. What do you mean by right sided signal? Means it is a causal signal. Okay, it consists of only the positive values. That is, for example, we are taking one signal x of e power minus 80 u of t. You know what is u of t? U of t is a unit step signal. It has value 1 only for t greater than or equal to 0. Okay, when t greater than or equal to 0, the value of u of t is equal to 1. Okay, 0 otherwise. So now the integral, so write the formula of Laplace transform. What is the formula for Laplace transform? X of s equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus st dt. Okay, so now in the place of x of t, substitute the value e power minus 80 u of t. So what is the value of u of t? U of t is equal to 1 when t greater than or equal to 0. So the integral value changes to minus infinity to infinity changes to 0 to infinity. Okay, so change the integration as 0 to infinity. So here write e power minus 80. So here e power minus st. So e power a into e power b is e power a plus b. So take the common term a plus s into t. Okay, into t. So now integrate the value. So if you integrate, integration of e power minus 80 is, what is the value? E power minus a divided by that minus a value. Okay, so here e power minus s plus a t divided by minus s plus a, and what is the integration value? 0 to infinity. Okay, so take the common term, take the constant term, so minus 1 by s plus a, and now apply the limit. Upper limit is e power minus infinity, lower limit is e power 0. Okay, so now what is e power minus infinity? E power minus infinity value is 0 and e power 0 value is 1. Okay, so substitute the value. After substituting, you got minus 1 by s plus a into minus 1. So minus minus here plus. Okay, so what is our answer? X of s equal to 1 by s plus a. So in order to find the region of convergence, the important thing is you want to see whether x of s is a positive or a negative value. So it is a positive value. Okay, so if it is a positive value, then here the numerator value is a zeros and denominator is a pole value. Okay, after finding, so it is the normal form. After finding the Laplace transform x of s, consider numerator as a zeros and denominator as a poles. Okay, so you want to equate the denominator to 0. So find whether the given signal is a positive or negative signal. It is a positive signal, so equate the denominator pole value. So it's a positive signal, so greater than or equal to 0. Okay, greater than or equal to 0. So now from this find the value of s. So s is greater than or equal to minus a. Okay, so now you want to plot the value. So in order to plot the value, okay, so to plot the value, what is s value means? If you take the s value, s equal to, what is s means? S equal to sigma plus, so s equal to sigma plus j omega. So here, so sigma is the real value and g omega is the imaginary value. So plot it here. So what is our S value? S is greater than or equal to minus A. So here it is minus A and it is plus A. So you want to plot that, draw a parallel line to the imaginary axis. So you want to draw a parallel line at minus A. So now the region of convergence is S is greater than minus A. So this portion is our region of convergence. Okay. And next is a left-sided signal. So what is left-sided signal? It is a non-causal signal. So what is our, see the question, x of t. For example, we are taking e power minus bt u of minus t. So what do you mean u of plus t means t value is greater than or equal to 0 and otherwise. U of minus t means minus t greater than or equal to 0. Then when minus region goes here, minus t means that it's less than or equal to 0. Okay, if you change this value to positive means the greater values become smaller values. Okay, so u of minus t equal to 1 when minus t greater than or equal to 0 means t less than or equal to 0. So u of minus t is this side. Okay, so only the value 1 has for t less than or equal to 0. So now our formula, write the formula for Laplace transform. What's our formula? X of t integral minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus st dt. Okay, so substitute the value of x of t. What is our x of t? E power minus bt u of minus t e power minus st. Okay, so you know u of minus t value is only 1 t less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means the integration ranges from minus infinity to 0. Okay, so it is very important. Minus infinity to 0 e power minus bt e power minus st. So now e power a into e power b, e power a plus b. So e power minus b plus s into t. So now integrate this e power a minus s plus b divided by minus s plus b. The integration is from minus infinity to 0. Okay, so now apply the limit e power 0, e power minus infinity, e power minus infinity 0, e power 0 is 0. Okay, and so here e power 0 is 1. So minus 1 by s plus b, 1 is, the answer is x of s equal to minus 1 by s plus b. And now in order to find region of convergence, so listen, so here it is a negative value minus 1 by s plus b. So s plus b is less than or equal to 0. So it is very important. If it is a positive value means they are writing, you want to equate the pole value to 0. So here pole value is s plus b. Okay, that is minus, so less than or equal to 0. So s less than or equal to minus b. So how will you plot? So it is minus b. If you are considering it is as minus b, sigma and j omega axis. So you are considering this as minus b. So less than or equal to minus b means this side value. So it is the region of convergence. Okay. So next we can see the two-sided signal. So two-sided signal we are taking e power minus at u of t plus e power minus bt u of minus t. So what is this value? Already we have seen this, u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. This also we have seen u of minus t equal to 1 when t less than or equal to 0. So these two conditions are in the same problem. Okay. So first write the formula. What is Laplace transform formula? Integral minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus st dt. So now what is x of t value? E power minus at u of t plus e power minus bt u of minus t. Okay. So now separate the integral. So integral minus infinity infinity e power minus at u of t. Here e power integral minus infinity infinity e power minus bt e power minus st u of minus t. Okay. So when you integrate, u of t value has only positive value, that is from 0 to infinity, and e power minus at e power minus st. So it has only negative value, that is from minus infinity to 0, e power minus bt e power minus st. Okay. So now add these two values. So e power minus s plus a, here e power minus s plus b, and now integrate. Same procedure as that of the previous. If you integrate, the value is here minus 1 by s plus a into minus 1, minus 1 by s plus b into 1. So after writing this, what is the value? 1 by s plus a minus 1 by s plus b. So same thing, here it is a positive value. So equate the pole value to 0, that is greater than or equal to 0. So s is greater than or equal to minus a. So here equate the pole value to 0, that is less than, because it is a minus value. So less than or equal to 0. So less than or equal to minus b. So now plot it. So here take this as the minus a value and this as the minus b value. Okay. So the region of convergence lies between. So the region of convergence is greater than, S region greater than A, and the B region is less than, sorry, S is less than lies between is less than b, and here it is greater than a. So now if you plot here, take this as a value and minus a, and this is the minus b. So it lies between a and b, that is greater than a value and less than b value. So it is our region of convergence. Okay, it lies between minus a to minus b, greater than a and less than b. So it is our region of convergence value. Okay.